Everyone, I am Mr. Ranjit Singh. I will teach you mathematics of class 7th. Our chapter is HCF and LCM. In this chapter, we will study the topic prime numbers, co-prime number, twin prime numbers. Learning objective means at the end of this video, student will know about the prime number, co-prime number and twin prime number, and they will learn how to identify them. Introduction of HCF and LCM, that is, we have learned whole number and integers in lower classes. In this chapter, we learn about prime numbers, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers, and also we will learn how to identify them. So the three topics that we are going to study are prime numbers, co-prime number, twin prime numbers. First, prime numbers. If we take the examples, already we have studied in the lower classes how to find the factors. So the factors of 2 is 1, 2. The factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. The factor of 11 is 1 and 11. The factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. The factors of 3 is 1 and 3. The factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. And the factor of 13 is 1 and 13. If we compare this all the examples, what we observe that the number 2, 3, 11 and 13 have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So the numbers which has only the two factors, these types of number are prime numbers. So here we will define the prime numbers, that is the number which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is called prime numbers. Now if you take one question, that is list the prime number between 1 to 50. So the prime number between 1 to 50 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. All these numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Second is composite number. Now again, if we compare the example, the factors of 2, 4, 11, 15, 3, 6 and 13, what we observe that the number 4, 6 and 15, they have more than two factors. So the numbers which have more than two factors are nothing but composite number. So how we will define it? The numbers having more than two factors are called composite number. For example, if you take 4, 6, 8, 10 are composite number. Now what is the difference between prime number and composite number? That is, prime number has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, and composite number has more than two factors. Third, co-prime number. If we take the example, the factors of 7 and 10. In co-prime number, we are going to compare two numbers simultaneously. That is, the first example 7 and 10. So factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Obviously 7 is the prime number. The factor of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So the common factor is 1. The common factor of 7 and 10 is 1. If we see the second example, the number 4 and 8. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. The factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So the common factor of 4 and 8 are 1, 2 and 4. If we take the third example, 27 and 15, again the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27, and the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The common factors of 25, 27 and 15 is 1 and 3. And the lastly 17 and 19, the factors of 17 is 1 and 17, it is a prime number. At the 19, the factors of 19 is 1 and 19, it is a prime number. The common factor is only 1. So from this 4 example, what we have observed that the numbers which have common factor 1, again I will repeat, the numbers which have common factor 1, that type of numbers are coprime numbers. So what are coprime numbers? Two numbers which have only one as a common factor, then only we can say that they are coprime numbers. If we see the example, which of the following are coprimes? First example is 4 and 9. So first of all, we will find the factors of 4 and factors of 9. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. So the common factor between 4 and 9 is 1. So here 4 and 9 are coprime numbers. Second, 10 and 25. So we'll find the factors of 10 and factors of 25. The factors of 10 are 1, 5, 10. The factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. And the common factor of 10 and 25 is 1 and 5. They do not have only 1 as a common factor. There are two numbers, that is 1 and 5. So 10 and 25 are not coprime numbers. The last, that is twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers means the difference between the two coprime number is 2, then the numbers are said to be twin prime. That is 3 and 5. We know that 3 and 5 are coprime numbers. So difference between this number, that is 5, difference means subtraction. That is 5 minus 3 is 2. So the difference between coprime number is 2. So 3 and 5 is twin prime. If we take second example, 5 and 7 are coprime number, and the difference between 5 and 7 is 2. Therefore 3, 5 and 5, 7 are twin prime numbers. So twin prime numbers are defined as the difference between two coprime number. Here the number should be coprime and the difference of that number should be 2. Then and then only we can say that the numbers are twin prime. So here we have studied 4 numbers, that is prime numbers, the numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. Second, composite number, number having more than two factors are called composite number. For example, if we take 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. are called composite numbers. Third, we have studied co-prime number, two numbers that have only one as common factor are said to be co-prime number. 7 and 10 are co-prime, 15 and 7 are co-prime. And last, we have studied twin prime number, that the two prime numbers which differ by 2, or you can say that the difference between the co-prime number is 2, then only we can say that they are twin prime numbers. 3, 5, 17, 19, 41, 43, 5, 7, 11, 3 are some twin prime numbers. Thank you.